B-SELFIE YOUth. B-SELFIE YOUth is a powerful antioxidant vitamin cocktail with a surprising botox-like and filler-like effect for deeply moisturized, compact and bright skin. How B-SELFIE YOUth works. 2 practical syringes with a topical applicator allow an exciting self-treatment for an immediately rejuvenated face. Its penetration into the epidermis is facilitated by 2 hyaluronic acids, which convey the bio-revitalizing serum deep down. How to use B-SELFIE YOUth. The product is very simple to apply. Before starting the treatment, cleanse your face with B-SELFIE Angel micellar water. Take the syringe out of the package. Then do the same with the applicator and assemble it onto the syringe. Release the serum into the groove of all visible wrinkles by gently tapping it with your fingertips until it is completely absorbed. Continue to release the serum over the entire surface to be treated. Start from the forehead and proceed towards the eye contour, then the lip contour, finally to the neck. To complete the treatment, we recommend applying the B-SELFIE Infinity Beauty Mask. Open the sachet and take out the mask. Then put it on your face. While you wait for B-SELFIE Infinity to act on your skin, relax and hold the mask in place. After 20 minutes, take off the mask and massage the face until the excess product is completely absorbed. Now you can finish your beauty treatment with B-SELFIE Miracle Cream. Place a walnut-sized amount of cream on your hand and apply it to your face, massaging it until it is completely absorbed. Your extraordinary beauty treatment, B-SELFIE YOUth, which is very easy to apply and with immediate effect, is complete.